Hello everyone, Bobby Benish with Benish Real Estate Group, and today we are at our See It Now property tour of 10747 Highway 50 West in Bedford, Indiana. This gorgeous ranch home has over 10 acres of beautiful property with pristine grounds and mature trees speckled throughout. Nice winding drive, and you can see that not only do we have this gorgeous ranch home, but we have this spectacular 30 by 96 pole barn, which has two sections. One section on the far side is for animals. It has hay storage. You can store lots of hay, 4 stalls for horses or goats, and also a total fenced-in pasture that is shady and nice for the animals. Beautiful sunny day. It also has the 2 garage doors, and over is a shop. It's fully insulated, concrete floors, water, electric. There's even a bathroom in there, so you can, clean up before you come in, or if you getting animals ready for the 4-H fair, you can just scrub-a-dub-dub them right in that tub. So let's go in and take a look at this gorgeous home that was completely renovated about 10 years ago. Super cozy sitting porch with some nice mature bushes that offer that shade. And even though we're on 50, we're so far off the highway that you don't even notice. So come on in. The first thing you're going to notice about this gorgeous home is the quality of finishes. This seller, when they did their renovation, they put in Anderson windows. They restored the original hardwood floors in this part of the home, and they also opened this space up. The kitchen is renovated as well, and it has Amish cabinets throughout. Love that they maintain the rustic feel of this limestone fireplace, that they have that wood burning insert. Nice big dining space. All the light fixtures are very modern as far as updates, and they have a nice casual feel. Gorgeous kitchen. This is hardwood. We just wanted to have a little bit of a separation from the other hardwoods, so it blends beautifully with these Amish cabinets. And I love this glass feature in here. At the end of this kitchen, you see that spectacular view. You can overlook the barn or keep an eye on your pets or kiddos. And in both of these cabinets are pull-out pantries where the drawers pull out, so you have a gob of storage space. Let's cut over here, one of my favorite rooms. It is a sunroom. So spectacular space. It's got a beautiful vaulted ceiling, a nice beam at the top. This seller is obviously using this as a workout space. It's not finished fully, but it does have heat and air and a return vent. Not enough to make it a full 4 seasons room, but definitely 3 seasons. You can see you can go out either door, and they have a really nice little space out the back over here with their grill and picnic table way out. So through here we just have an extra kind of a shed, a workshop garage that is used for wood storage right now. So if you wanted to have a potting shed or store some toys in it, you certainly could. So come on in. And again, this home has nice high quality woodwork. It's all oak throughout. And over here we have a 2-car attached garage. So we've got puppy in there, so we'll leave that closed. But I love this space. It just flows so nicely and has a real cozy feeling. The furnishings really make you just want to sit down and relax and enjoy the beautiful views from all the windows. Again, all Anderson windows. In here we have utility. We do have a geothermal system, so you have super efficient heating and cooling, and that's also about 10 years old. Hall bath in here, which is our full bath. We do have a tub shower combo, really nice tile feature, very, very spacious. And then over to your right, you'll see you have one of our bedrooms. Again, very spacious, lots of closet space. And we'll go on in here. This is another bedroom that mirrors the first. Again, lots of closet space. The seller has really utilized the extra above and made it kind of a little trophy cabinet. All cedar lined cabinets, or closets, excuse me, including the upper cabinet in these two bedrooms and the hallway linen closet. Solid oak doors, really spectacular. The seller has gone to great lengths to make this home feel cozy and maximize the space. So if you are working from home, you have kiddos who are homeschooling or just doing that on and off e-learning, this is a great space for that. Again, it has a closet over there. If you wanted to close this off, you could make it a fourth bedroom. And it would also make kind of a nice teenage, I say teenage because I have teenagers, but hangout space where you could put a television and a couple cozy chairs. They could be gaming here, like game night with your buddies and your friends. Okay, this is part of the house that was an addition about 10 years ago. So the seller added this really nice closet space. Could be pantry, could be linen, and there's also a big drop down for the attic. And then on through here, really nice half bath. So for a half bath, it's got a lot of space and also very nice tile floors. They kept the Amish cabinet theme through the half bath. And in here we have laundry. So this is a really nice laundry room. And I love that it comes off the back of the home. So if you are out gardening, you can just come in and change and drop your dirty laundry right there. And they have these space-saving pocket doors that are solid wood. Again, not a finish was overlooked in this home. And these beautiful oak hardwood floors carry throughout this massive retreat that you have in the back of the home. So again, we have this space, gorgeous hardwood floors, and they go through into these two full walk-in closets. We have a his and her closet. You have enough space here if you wanted to make a little private sitting room to use, or if you wanted to even make a home office in here, that'd be easy to do as well. Gorgeous color tone, very tranquil and peaceful. Maybe I should make up a new word, put them together. Tranquil. So one of my favorite bathrooms. I mean, you really feel like you are leaving your home and stepping into a spa retreat. Again, Amish cabinetry, even the mirror is custom. We have this gorgeous tile. Beautiful, beautiful, peaceful. At the end of the day, you just want to get in and soak in the tub, or you know, if you just need to wash some littles in here, who doesn't love a clawfoot tub? Huge huge walk-in shower. They have elected to just keep a nice curtain. You could obviously you might even be able to keep it open or add a glass door if you like. And then we have these, again, custom Amish cabinetry. And so I'm so tempted to get into this tub or, you know, take a phone call. Hello. So if you would like an in-person tour of this absolute fabulous ranch home on over 10 acres in Bedford, super convenient location, give us a call, 812-675-6967. Bye.